Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Sayantani. Most of us are still afraid to go to a parlor or salon to take care of ourselves. So the key is to become self-sufficient. And I'm going to show you how to get a professional haircut just in 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. I'm not a professional hairstylist, and if I can do that, so can you. So let's get started. Make sure your hair is completely straight. Now I used a straightener to straighten my hair. If your hair is naturally straight, then you can skip this step. You can also weight your hair and comb it down if you don't have a straightener. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make a portion in the middle and then flip my hair, and I'm gonna brush all my hair and bring it front. Then I'm gonna tie a ponytail right on top of my forehead. Make sure the ponytail is right in the center of your forehead. I'm gonna smooth out my hair, and I'm going to tie another rubber band at the very bottom, leaving about an inch of hair below that I'm going to cut off. I'm gonna hold my hair flat and using a sharp regular scissor to chop it off. As you can see, I had a lot of split ends and that had to go. Now it will look very blunt. So what I'm gonna do is called point cutting. I'm going to lightly chop my hair vertically so that it does not look thick and weird, and the layers will blend very smoothly. Let's go ahead and remove the rubber band. Now the layers frame the face pretty well. Brush it nicely and you can leave your hair at this point as it looks pretty good. But I like my front bangs in equal lengths, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go ahead and take a small portion of my hair from the center and repeat the steps without using rubber bands. As you can see, the hair looks pretty healthy and the layers are very smooth. There are no split ends. This video is a collaboration video with Amin's Hav. He's gonna talk about how to make stylish in minutes. He is a talented young man and his channel is full of interesting videos. So please check it out, guys. I will give the link below. So moving on to my tutorial, if you try this haircut, please tag me. All my social links are in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel before your way out so that you won't miss any of my uploads. I upload every week. I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.